What's up, Sneakerholics? It's your boy Slim Beez bringing out the sneaker video. In this video, showing you how to lace up your Yeezys 350 V2s. Let's get into it. Obviously, you can take them right out the box, and it's not too badly laced. If you can get it to, let's see if it comes like this. But if it doesn't, just getting it, curling it. Inside the loop, there you got that right out the box. If you're trying to do something different, you could, without having to take really nothing out of, or really it's just to loosen up the sneaker. Loosen up the strings. Not too loose where it looks bad. Just loose enough. Option 2. And option 3, you can still pull out some of the lace, and then you can actually tie it down just a bit. You still got the loose look, and you added a tie to it. So compared to these come out the box factory laced, and then thanks for watching my video. As always, make sure to hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Also hit that thumbs up if you like this video, or that thumbs down if you didn't. SneakerholicBeez, and I'm out.